There are no provincial updates anymore, and we don't have any mask mandates in place. But how are people feeling about COVID? Is it still on their minds? We went to find out. Is COVID on your mind still?
Yeah, every moment of every day.
I think I'd just rather not think about it after thinking about it for like 2 years straight.
We know based on past trends that COVID tends to increase and is airborne, so with kids going back to school and it getting colder, it's absolutely front of mind for me.
Since the Saskatchewan government stopped tracking the data like it used to at the height of the pandemic, there's no longer an accurate representation of the COVID-19 numbers across the province. But experts say it's still among us.
We shouldn't just be taking this virus lightly. We should be doing whatever we can to protect ourselves from infection. And to me, one of the best ways of doing that, obviously, is to be vaccinated.
Blondo recommends people watch for the new booster shot that's expected later this month or early next. It's supposed to offer protection from the new Omicron variant, BA.2.86. And if you're sick, they say it's still a good idea to rapid test yourself. You can still get those kits at most local fire halls, libraries, and co-op stores across Saskatchewan. And if you still have one, but maybe it's past its expiry date, the province says it is probably still okay to use. Many test kits have had their shelf life extended to 24 months from the manufacturing date, but still getting a fresh one is worth it.
In general, if something is expired, it's because the manufacturer is concerned that the viability of the assay, decreases over time. And if that's the case, if you're using an expired assay, then you always have to wonder whether or not a negative result is truly negative.
If a fresh test is negative, but you're still feeling sick, Blondo says there's a good chance it's a different respiratory illness. So the same public health guidance applies. Stay home until you're feeling better, and if you do have to go out, wear a mask. Jesse Anton, CBC News, Regina.